Hi, I'm Eric Boehm, Curator of Aviation, and this is an Intrepid Minute. On July 16, 1969 at 9:32 a.m. local time, Apollo 11 blasted off from the Kennedy Space Center in Florida and headed towards the moon. For the next 8 days, Americans and people around the world were glued to their TVs for minute-by-minute coverage of this mission. On July 20th, an estimated 530 million people across the globe watched Neil Armstrong and Buzz Aldrin descend to the lunar surface and walk on the moon, the largest television audience in the short history of the medium. To mark the 50th anniversary of this achievement, we invite you to experience an imaginative installation of archived news media displayed through vintage televisions in living room space here underneath the Space Shuttle Orbiter Enterprise. This temporary exhibit will be on display until September 3rd, 2019. So come on down to the museum and experience this little piece of an enormous achievement. Stay tuned for another Intrepid Minute.